Hello, welcome to this 8th episode dedicated to making 10 video transitions using Adobe Premiere Pro CC. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make
the ghost transition
in a few simple steps. Our ghost transition lasts for 10 frames. It produces a doubling effect of the image, which is very particular and effective. Max at the computer.
Francesca the voice.
Let's start! Add an adjustment layer to the sequence, 10 frames and marker in the center. Now position it in the timeline with the marker at the cut point. To make this transition, we will need only one effect, Color Emboss. We insert the Color Emboss effect in the adjustment layer. Set the default values, direction, relief, and contrast at the start of the clip. Copy them and paste them at the end of the clip. Now, just change the direction value to -45 at the end of the clip. Move the playhead to the center and set relief to 500. Now set contrast to 200. In a few simple steps, we have also finished this transition. You can customize this effect by changing the contrast or direction values to get a crazier result. In the next video, we will see how to make the 9th video transition quick zoom. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you for your attention and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.